You can have a lot of fun with text boxes in Microsoft Word. You can actually use them as a design tool instead of inserting tables or columns. You can just use text boxes. To insert it, you go to the Insert tab, and then you go to Text and select Text Box and select Draw Text Box. So let's draw like one, and let's make this a little shorter so it'll fit. One, and then let's insert another one. Let's select like a second text box of roughly the same size, and then let's insert a third one right there, as though we have a three column page layout. Now insert your cursor into the first one and enter some random text. Now here you go. The text is inserted into the text box, but as you can see, there's overflow, so we can't see all of our text in this text box. So what do you do? Well, you create a link between this first text box and the second text box. Create link, and the cursor turns into this little cup, text cup. When you click, it smoothly flows from the first box to another. And if you'd like to flow this even more, you can do the same. Select the second text box, create link, and click the third one, so you have this one single text flow going all through three text boxes. But you don't have to stop there. You can do so many things with the text boxes. Your imagination is your limit. For example, you can rotate them, and the text rotates with it. And when you click on it, you will have your shape format tab. So you can, for example, fill the text box with any color you want, or you can change the borders. For example, right here, you can change the color of the borders, and you can make them change the weight. As I said, you know, the only limitation you have is your imagination. Let's insert another text box and see what else we can do. Imagine this is our new text box. Now right click, let's select edit points. Now we can bend this any way we want. You can even add a curve, right? So here's our new text box. And in terms of inserting, you can insert a gradient. You can also create a new second, third, fourth, etc. a text flow by having a new set of text boxes. Let's insert two of them here. Okay. And now I'm gonna insert new text. I know it's overflowing, so I will make this one flow into that one. And how do I do that? I go to shape format, create link, and I go Control A, and I will bold this and change the text color, to show that now this is a separate text flow than the previous one. For example, if I edit this in any way, let's say if I change the color into red, this only affects the first text flow and not the second flow. And you can, for example, insert icons, you can pictures, you can do anything you like. So this is a very powerful way to arrange your text on a page without using any tables or columns, and it'll work just fine, and you will have a very interesting page as a result. So I highly recommend you experiment with the text boxes, since the possibilities are really infinite. Thank you, and see you in the next video.